that I'm making for 1956 T-Bird. This is a new thing on last minute. I already did the other one, the other piece that came out pretty good. But this is something else that I'm gonna do. And you will see how it comes out in a little bit. Alright, I'm cutting 2 pieces for 2 panels. And this is going to be wrapped, and after that's going to be wrapped, the speaker is going to be sitting here, you see, like that, and this side is going to be upholstery. You will see in a few minutes. You saw this, that I was doing it, it's like this before, and now this is finished, and this speaker is going to go right there like that. And then the grill is going to be over here, and then it's going to be back in the car. And you can tell how I put it together. See? Glue it in. Okay. And then you go and you bend it. You cut it in the corner. And then this go like this. And you go all the way around. Got it?
Cut.